Hey, welcome to this video. Here I'm going to debug a JS code I have written recently. So what I was making was a ripple button effect that we find on Android devices. You can see it here. But the problem is when I rapidly click one after another, the result is not what I was expecting. Have a closer look to find out by yourself. That's not what I want, and I was expecting something like this. Now let's remove the overflow property of the button to see what's going on. We can see the issue is related to the positioning. Instead of popping the second circle on the first one, it's appending somewhere else. Okay, let me show you what controls the position of the ripple buttons. These two variables determine the location, so the problem must be in these expressions. First of all, let's put these expressions on the console to keep an eye on the values. Oh, I need to replace the operators with commas. Now let's keep an eye on the changes. Let me click twice to see the effect here. Have a look at the unusual variety of this value, of this expression. So the middle expression must be problematic. Okay, now let's check the second variable. The same situation here. So the problem is still in the middle expression. Now time to find out what is going on with that expression. The offset top method returns the top position of the target element. So it will give different values only if the target element has changed. Let's see when and how the target element is changing. Well, that's the button element, and now it's time for double click. Here we can see this time the e.target method is giving the circle element. That's where the problem is. So I have to make sure that JavaScript ignores the element. For that, we can use a CSS property called pointer events. I'm setting the property value to none so that JavaScript can ignore that circle. So this should do the job. Yeah, perfect. I was talking about this. So that was the video. I hope you got an idea of how to deal with these kinds of problems. So please support my channel and visit my page, and thanks for watching the video.